Hello everyone, our dish for today is lamb shank. It is a slow braised with red wine, crushed tomatoes and fresh herbs. We are going to slow cook the lamb for 3 hours in a red wine and tomato jus. A classic way to prepare shanks. These are slow cooked in a deeply flavored red wine sauce until they are meltingly tender. To season the shanks, pat the lamb shanks dry and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large cast iron Dutch oven over high heat. Then sear the lamb shanks in 2 batches and brown them in all sides in about 5 to 8 minutes. And then remove lamb onto a plate and drain excess fat, if any, from the pot. Sauté the aromatics, then turn the heat down to medium-low. Cook for 5 minutes until onion color turn into translucent. For the braising liquid, add chicken broth, crushed tomato and red wine. Then add herbs such as rosemary, thyme and bay leaves. Cook the lamb shanks over low heat until tender for about 2.5 hours. How to make polenta. Polenta has a reputation for being a finicky dish. In a medium pot, bring 3 cups of water to a high simmer. Slowly whisk in the polenta. Add 1 more cup of water and simmer for 15 minutes, stirring frequently, whisking vigorously and constantly to prevent any clumps from forming. Once it's fully incorporated, reduce the heat to medium-low and keep stirring. This step is key to achieving a smooth, creamy texture. Polenta needs 15 to 20 minutes to cook properly, and patience here makes all the difference. Once the creamy polenta is fully cooked, it should be smooth and free of any crunch. Then stir in whole butter and Parmigiano cheese, salt and pepper, mixing until everything melts together. I'd like to finish it off with a sprinkle of Parmigiano for extra richness and a touch of minced fresh parsley to brighten up the flavors. For the topping, chop together the garlic, parsley and lemon zest until fine. Place a large scoop of the cooked polenta into individual bowls. Place a lamb shank on top and then spoon some of the sauce over the lamb. Sprinkle some of the Gremolata and chopped parsley in the bowl and serve immediately. And that's it. Enjoy.